What to do when your furnace goes out in the winter. If you find that your furnace has gone out in the middle of the winter season, it's best to address the situation right away. Start by checking to see if your thermostat is still in heating mode and functioning properly. If there is no display, the thermostat may need new batteries. If batteries do not seem to be the issue, check if the breaker tripped your furnace. If needed, reset the breaker. If the breaker didn't trip, then you'll want to manually reset your furnace via its reset switch. For a gas-powered furnace, flip the furnace switch off for 1 to 2 minutes and then turn it back on. If that doesn't work, then contact the best HVAC contractor for further assistance. Be sure to contact Wise Guys Heating and Cooling in Cypress, Texas at wiseguyscooling.com or 713-360-2413 to get furnace repair.